Hi guys, welcome to CodeMine. Carry here. So today we are going to explain the next topic, that is view menu into the Google Docs. So if I click onto the view menu into the menu bar, right? So we will get some option like print layout, mode, show ruler, show document outline or full screen kind of things, right? So we will talk about these topics today. So before going to the next level, I just want to request the new viewer who are coming on my channel today. Please subscribe my channel, right? If you do not subscribe, so that the notification of your upcoming video comes to you guys directly. So do not forget to turn on notification also. So hope you guys will subscribe my channel. So let's start with the options, right? So if I click on the view menu, the first option I will get that print layout. What is that? Print layout means you want to view your document as you want to print, right? How will be the look and feel of your page if you print out the page, right? You can see the layout of a page, and I have write down something. If I print out this thing, and the output will be the same as I am viewing here, right? So you guys can see the, if I uncheck this thing, you guys can see the slightly there is a change in header, right? So this is a very slight difference, but by default we check this print layout option, right? The next thing is mode option. What is that? Mode is in which mode you want to use that document. There are three modes: editing, suggesting and viewing. So what is that? Right now I am in editing mode, which means I can edit my document, I can write anything, right? Or I can edit anything, right? So that is the meaning of that. Suggesting mean I can enter the suggestion, right, into my documents. Next thing is viewing. What is viewing? Viewing means read only. I can only read the content, I cannot edit anything. So let's start with that. So if I click on viewing, you guys can see the of the menu bar, some of the option into the menu bar and to the toolbar has been removed. Why? Because I am not able to edit anything. If I want to write, I am not able to do that. So that is the meaning of view mode. So we have different mode available here. So if I want to exit from the view mode, I have a two option. Either I can click here, right? If I click here, I will again get the three option where I want to go. So I can use suggesting or in editing, or I can go into the view menu and in mode I can select the editing. So I am coming back to my editing mode. So what is the next option now? Next is show ruler. What is ruler? This scale kind of thing you are looking right now in top of the page and the left side of the page. These are the ruler. So if I click on or uncheck that, you guys can see now the ruler has been removed from here. And if I again check this show ruler, now again I can see the ruler. So that is the meaning of that. So basically it tells you that what is the width of the content, like these are 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch kind of scale here, and you can set up the margin, or you can use like you can set up the tab here, right? So the tab kind of thing, or what is the importance of ruler, we will explain into the next video, and we will create a special video for that. And right now we will move to the next topic, that is show document outline. Outline means that kind of information is there, right? The heading, as you add the document, will appear here. Any heading I want to add here, so that kind of thing will appear here. So means the overview of the document. So if I click here, if I uncheck this thing, show document outline, automatically that overview will go away, right? So this is for that. This is just a information kind of thing. So you can check it or you can uncheck it, that is upon you. Next thing is show equation toolbar. What is that? If I click on equation toolbar, it will show me a like a pie chart, or sorry, not pie chart, and mathematical equation kind of that, square root, less than, greater than, or alpha beta kind of symbols, right? So I can create equation from the equation bar. So that is for that. By default it is unchecked. So if you want to add any equation, you guys can check this thing. Clear? So next thing is show section breaks. So what are the breaks? Breaks basically like we are breaking content at point of like page break or paragraph break or column break. So these are the breaks. In the breaks we have page break, section break, column break, or different breaks available. So if I check this thing, section break, so what will happen if I create a column into my page? It will showcase, right? So right now I don't have any break into my page, so it is not displaying that thing. So the next option is full screen now. So full screen is a very, as it's clear from name, if I click on that, you guys can see now it is giving you a full screen view, right? Your menus, your toolbar has been removed from the screen. Now you can only view the page and you can write down on that, right? So hope these options are clear to you, and if you want to exit from the full screen, just press escape from the keyboard, right? So in the view menu we have covered all the point, and hope you guys understand each and every point, right? And hope you guys will do practice. If you guys have any query, any question, please comment into the comment box, and what you think about the video, and how this video help you guys, please comment into the comment box. And hope you guys will subscribe the channel, those who guys not subscribed yet. So thanks for watching, have a very good day.